This is how easy we run the Docker run command. Hi, I'm Vachalin. Today I'm going to walk you through how to run the Docker run command. And if this is the first time you take a look at my video and you still have no idea how to install Docker, please check my previous video about how to install the Docker on Mac. Yeah, and you can put in the comment if you use the Windows machine and you want me to put the video on how to install the Docker version on the Windows. If this is the first time you step your foot into a Docker world, I recommend you to start your Docker journey by entering this website, hub.docker.com. This website is basically the place that you can keep your created Docker image, or you can download the Docker image that created from another people. Yep, how to sign up. Basically, once you enter this website, the sign up form are there. Click enter your desired Docker ID, your email address, and your desired password. And just in case you're not a bot, click I'm not a bot here, and then click sign up. Actually, it will not allow you to sign up if you are a bot, so you need to click here anyway. After that, it will send you an email to validate yourself. After that, boom, you finish your first step of Docker World. After you finish, sign up with the Docker. You can try to sign in here. Click sign in and entering username and password. In my case, I already saved this. And yeah, if you see this message, welcome to Docker Hub, download and take a tutorial. That means you successfully sign in to this website. Okay, now let's try to log in with the command line here. Okay, you can type Docker login -u, which is the username, or UGNT in my case, and then it will ask you the password. Okay, it seems like I mistyping my password. Let me try to log in again. Yeah, it says login success. That means I successfully log into this account. Okay. After login, what next? So let me run my first Docker. Let me type Docker run hello-world. Before I click enter, let me explain what have I done. For the command Docker run is run Docker image. So what is this? What is the image name? The image name hello world. If you are in the programming world, you all already know, right? Hello world is the very first program for any programming language. The same to the Docker. This is a super very simple Docker image to run. And I click boop. It said it cannot find the image hello world latest version in my locally. That's why it's pulling the image from the Docker Hub website. Yep. And here is the hello world. Let's say hello Docker. This image is just for printing this text, and that's it. It's exit. So now in my local machine, we already have this image stored. If we run again, Docker run hello world, let's see what happened. If we scroll up a little bit, you will see this message is disappear. If you scroll up the first time, it's written there, unable to find image hello world latest locally. But in the second time I run, this message is disappear because I already have that image stored in local. And okay, and let me explain you a little bit about the word latest. Latest is the version name. By default, the last update will be tagged as the latest, but you can specify the version here anyway. Okay, or even you can click Docker run hello-world latest. Yep, it will show the same thing. Okay, and now I will go to the website hub.docker.com again, just to show you this image. You can type hello world dash world world. Yep. Okay. You can click here. Okay, now you see everything, every information required for this Docker image. It can have a command to pull the Docker image, or a quick reference and output, example output, example how to run. That's it. This is how easy we run the Docker run command. You see, it's not super hard, it's easy actually. Okay, now let me walk you through the life cycle of Docker run command. So basically, Docker run command, it will start the Docker image, and by default, it will have the default command for each Docker image. It runs the default command, and if it finishes, it will destroy, it will kill itself, the Docker. So let me show you how it works. Now you know how the Docker run works. So basically, your command Docker run will be terminated once after your initial command of the Docker finish executing. So let me show you this again. Docker run the same image, hello world. This one, as you know, you print out this, right, and it's finished. If I type command docker ps, which is the command of Docker to list out all the Docker image running, you see no image running here. Okay, let me run another Docker command here. Docker run -it alpine sh. Okay, so this command will run the Docker image name alpine with the command sh, which is the starting the shells -it here, just to indicate that we want some interactive screen. So if I enter here, you will see, right, the command prompt is changed from virtual MacBook Pro to / something. Okay, if I type uname -a, you see now it's not my Mac anymore. Even I type ls pwd who am I. Yep, nothing back to myself. Okay, now it's running. If I open another terminal here, okay, type docker ps again, you see the image alpine with the command sh is running for 42 seconds ago. If we type again, it will update the second create 51 seconds ago. Yep, we set that up for 95, 15, 49, and 58. Yep. And now if we exit here by hitting Control D, yep, and we see Docker PS again. Yep, the Docker is already killed. Another way, if you want to kill the Docker, if you don't want to exit with this way, you can do the same thing. Docker PS here. So we can type docker kill and follow by the container ID here. Now your running Docker is killed. Docker ps again. Okay, nothing run. Or okay, it's poor alpine. I kill it many times. So if we type docker ps again, it will show the container ID which is changed. For the docker kill command, if you don't want to type a full name, you can just type the minimum text that can indicate which Docker ID, which container ID it is. For example, for this case, we can type just 939C7. Yep. Since I have only 139C7 container ID here, I can kill it. So if I type docker ps here, yep, yeah, it's died. And that is how we run the docker run command. It's not so hard, right? And but if you think you have some better idea or better way to run docker run command, or you agree with me or disagree with me, put your comment down there in the comment section. Yeah. And if you think this video is useful for you at some level, or you like this video so much, don't forget to click like button down there and click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out the next useful video. So see you next time. Bye bye.